Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about what is the evolution of big data, what is big data and what are the challenges faced by the big data. So first of all, what is the big data? It is a large volume of wide variety of data collected from various sources across the enterprise, including transactional data. It can be of any type, and even the mobile device data, unstructured data and machine generated data are all comes under big data. Now data resources comes under structured and unstructured type of data. Every the spreadsheet and the crm works are under structured, and even normal machine learning data comes under the unstructured data. Now how the evolution of the big data is traditionally referred to as the three v's, which for the first V is the volume, the second one is the velocity, and the third is the variety. These are the three V's which represent the big data traditionally. Big data is not new. It is a very vast, and it in this development has done from very long time. Supercomputers have been collecting the scientific research data. For example, in Asian Paint, they make use of a supercomputer which collect large amount of data, so that they can consider and meet the market needs of the paints they sell. In the evolution of the BI system, the data warehousing does not make DW absolute. So this is how what is the evolution of the big data. So now what does big data do? Focuses on the finding hidden threads, trends and patterns which may invisible to the naked eyes. Data stored on the cluster of the server, like the Apache Hadoop used for the Amazon cloud, now requires mathematical and statistical expertise as well as the creative communicate problem solving and business skills. Summarized, now data models, big data lifecycle, big data analytic tools and big data infrastructure, big data security, these are some of the frameworks and data flows. Now what are the challenges faced by the big data? It is the platforms and leadership and skills. Big data is such a vast, so we are lacking of skills of managing the data volumes, ability to really understand what can be achieved. Open source platforms not easy to use, and data scientists not required. And we have requirement of the large number of data scientists, but they are not available. Leadership, new territories for the IT professionals, so planning, marketing, ROI, etc. is an issue. And platforms, high-end data warehousing tools, open source technology challenging with accessing data from the server rapidly in native forms. So these are some of the challenges these are faced by the big data. Some of the enterprise search vendors are Google, Algolia, Microsoft, Oracle, IBM, and these are the various types of organization, enterprise level vendors which manages the big data. Now these are the some of the challenges which are mentioned below, so you can see what are the types of challenges big data have been we faced in the big data. Now so there are some of the key challenges and the goals. What are the solutions? In 3 months, can I conceptualize and deploy the solution from the context such needs using Fuse, and additional some of the further capabilities based on the user feedback. So these are other solutions and successes which we achieved in the field of big data, and some of the other examples are also given and other performance metrics are also given, which you can see in other slides. So this is all about what is the evolution of the big data and what are the challenges faced by the big data. I hope you understand what I explained to you in these slides. So I hope you may like it, and thank you.